Have you ever wanted to play Xbox games on your Steam Deck? Well, now you can. Let's talk about how to get Xbox Cloud Gaming on your Steam Deck so that you can enjoy all your favorite Xbox games anywhere. So first, you're going to need to make sure that your Steam Deck is connected to the internet, okay? Xbox Cloud Gaming works best when you have a good connection, so don't skip that step. Next, open the Steam Deck's browser and visit the Xbox Cloud Gaming website. So you can easily search for it in your browser, and once you're there, sign in with your Xbox account, all right? After logging in, you're going to be able to access all the Xbox Game Pass games that are available through cloud gaming. These games will stream directly to your Steam Deck, and you can start playing right away, all right? Now, for a better experience, make sure that your Steam Deck is in desktop mode. This will give you full access to the browser and allow you to control the settings better, all right? So finally, just adjust your Steam Deck's controls to make sure that they match the Xbox controller layout for smoother gameplay. Now that you know what to do, leave me a like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.